Hey guys, what is up? Michael here, and welcome back to another episode of Codecademy walkthrough. So today we'll be making comments. Today we'll be doing these. Okay, making comments. We have covered a lot of our list. Let's change gears and do some styling. If you recall, HTML is the skeleton of the web page, and CSS lets you give the skeleton some skin and makeup. But it is possible to do some inline CSS. This simply means we can do some styling in an HTML file without worrying about a separate CSS file. We will learn this first because it will make learning CSS a lot easier later. Before we dive into fonts, it's important to learn about making comments. You can include little notes in your HTML code that the browser won't display, but it will be in the code to help you remember why you did certain things. Instructions. Number 1. Comments start with this and end with like this. This is an example of comment. Number 2. Make the text on line 1 into a comment. Leave the text on line 3 alone. So I'll do that. Font size. Recall that P and P are opening and closing tags. We can give tags more instructions by including attributes in the opening tag. An attribute is simply a characteristic or some description for the content in the element. You saw this with src in image and href in A. Let's change the size of the text. How? We use the style attribute. We make it equal to the font size, followed by a colon, the size you want, and end it with the px, short for pixels, for example. So this font size will be 12 pixels. Instructions. On line 7, make the text size 20 pixels. Font size 20 pixels. Wow, I haven't done CSS in a really long time. P style font size. Wait, no, why am I doing that? Into 20 pixels. We know this is supposed to be 10. Sorry. And then this is 40 pixels. Font size 40 pixels. So yeah, we follow all the instructions. Yeah, look at these. This. If you're having trouble with font sizes, reset your browser zoom by pressing 0 or Control 0. Where you go? Start next. Font color. What is awesome about the style attribute is that we use it a lot, and we can use it with many different tags, not just P. Let's now change the colors of our text in our heading. To change the color of text, simply add the style attribute in the opening tag and make the style equal to color blue, or whatever color you want. For example, what if you want to change the color and add the size of the text? Simple. Semicolon between each bit, for example. Here is a full list of available colors. Colors can be found here. Now this is hexadecimal, which Codecademy will explain later. Wait, I should actually copy this. Yeah. No, do not type something like that. If you incorrectly nest your HTML tags like that, your code will not pass. Instructions. Number 1, change the heading color to green and its size to 16 pixels. So if we add style, then color to green, and then font size to 16 pixels. Yeah, sorry about that bracket. Change the color of the first paragraph to violet. And then here, the style. Change the color of the second paragraph to red. And its font size to 10 pixels. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, now we're going to learn about font family. We cover font colors and font sizes, but we want more power. We want to decide what font type we want to use. We can do this using font family, like this. First, we quote big title. Then inside the opening H1 tag, we add a style attribute and set it equal to font family Arial. This styles the H1 tag with Arial font. We can do same for other tags. So we could have a LI. Here's a list of available fonts. Yeah, those are gonna come in handy. Instructions. Change the font size to first listed item to 16 pixels into the font Arial. So I'm going to do font family, Arial, and then font size, 16 pixels. Style, font, for this, change the font size to the second listed item to 12 pixels and the font to Verdana. Font size to 12 pixels, and change the font size of the third listed item to 10 pixels and the font to Impact. Font family, Impact, and then font size. Yeah, it was 10 pixels. Make sure. Yeah, way to go. Start next lesson. So yeah, now we have the recap. Awesome job. You've now got control of your web page, including the color, size, and type of your font. To recap, we use the style attribute in the opening tag, like so, font size 14 pixels, color orange, font family Badoni. Yeah, blah 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 blah. It's important to know that you can use the style attribute for paragraphs, headings, and even links. Instructions. For the paragraph on line 7, make the font have a size of 20 pixels. So style, font size 20 pixels, and a color of blue, and font family of Arial. Yeah, that should do it. Yes, we've finished this section. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Please like, please subscribe, please watch all my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. And bye-bye. Look, we already have 31 points, but bye-bye.